Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal kit that I've made up, a blank journal kit. This one's a traveller's notebook size, and this one I have actually decorated the front cover, and there is some different things in the kit than the ones that I've done previously. So I'll start off showing you the journal. Like I said, it's traveller's notebook size, and we've got the Tiffany & Co. Digital print on here with some cheesecloth on the background. We've got some organza ribbon as a closure. There is some lace trim here. There's a bead dangle and a sari silk bow. And in this one, it is a cardstock cover. We've got pockets on the inside covers. And I've used Artie May's Nature Walk kit in this one. So like I said, it is blank, ready for you to decorate. There's another flip out there. Oops. This is Crafty Irina had sent me a big bundle of this paper, and I just managed to find it. I'm still finding stuff from when I moved into my shed like nearly a year ago. I'm still finding bits and bobs that has just been like packed away. So I'm not sure what you call that paper. We've got some dictionary pages in here, some Edith Holden, centre of the signature, so some nice blue tones going through this journal. There's a little bit of paper that needs to come off there. And nearly at the end. So that is the journal. And inside here is some paper ephemera. So you could use that in a journal, not necessarily in that one, but in another one. So we've got 2 little monthly calendars. We've got 10 tickets. We have 6 punched tabs. I've inked these up on one side, left them plain on the other, so you could use them either side, white or the distressed look. There is some Tiffany & Co. Tags. Just dragged all these out of my big box of extras. These are some postcards, some library cards, another postcard, little file folder journaling card. Oh, that one's upside down. We've got 4 doilies which have been, I think these have been tea dyed. They're very light, but they have been stained or dyed. I've made up some little envelopes. I haven't glued them because obviously I wouldn't know what someone would actually want to do with them. You could use them as pockets like on the page, or use them like that. So there's 2 of them. Made up 4 little corner flip ups. There is 2 jelly bean soup pockets. They're ready to glue and add. I've made 2 long flip ups, so you could glue that down onto the page and it flips up, and they fit obviously inside the traveller's notebook. There is 6 tags. So we've got the Tiffany & Co. Just a Note. This book belongs to Little Moments, Big Memories, Make Each Day a Story Worth Telling, and The Story Begins. There is 2 little coin envelopes, a guest check, and another big monthly calendar. So that is what's in there. Then there is whoopsie. Then there is this bag, and there's beads in there, so I'm being careful. So you can use the bag. So we have 2 of these fabric flowers. There is a length of this like teardrop pearl trim. There's just over 20 inches of this lace trim. There is just over a yard of winter white eyelash trim. There is 4 little mason jar tickets or tags, whatever you want to do with them. I have punched out 5 butterflies from designer cardstock. So there's 5 of them. You get 10 little flat back kind of pale blue that's kind of looks kind of pearlized hearts, so you could use them. There is some of this mesh bling. There is 5 buttons, blue, pink and a kind of clear-ish one. There is these beads and the paper clips. So that is what you get in the kit. It will be listed on my Etsy. I'm quite enjoying just sitting doing these because my brain is going dead with making full junk journals at the moment. And it's nice to offer some little kits for those who don't like making journals or don't have the extra bits and bobs to put in them. So that is what you get. The link, there will be a link below to my Etsy store, and if you have any questions just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.